बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. The summary of differentiation of parametric equations with example is the topic of this lecture. An important advice: be soft. Parametric equations means two equations containing x and y, and both x and y either depend on theta or t. For example, here x depends on theta and y is also depending on theta. And this is the formula of the gradient of parametric equation. We write differential of y in numerator and differential of x in denominator. For example, if we have x sine 2 theta, then when we will differentiate x with respect to theta, we'll get cos 2 theta times 2. And if y is equal to cos 2 theta in parametric equation, then the differential of y with respect to theta is minus sine 2 theta times 2. Now copy the formula of the gradient of parametric equation: dy upon d theta over dx upon d theta. Always write this in numerator and this in denominator. Now substitute their values: minus 2 sine 2 theta in numerator and plus 2 cos 2 theta in denominator. So when you will simplify this, you will get minus tan 2 theta. This is the way to differentiate parametric equations. This question is from November 20, paper 3-2. We have parametric equations x tan theta and y cos square theta, and this is the domain. Show that the gradient of the curve at the point with parameter theta is this. So we have to prove the dy upon dx. First we need to copy these two equations, x tan theta and y is cos theta whole square, to make the differentiation simple. Now dx upon d theta, differential of tan is sec square theta, and this is composite. So first make power coefficient, then subtract power by 1, and then differentiate the bracket function cos theta, which is minus sine theta. Now first write the formula of the gradient of parametric: dy upon d theta in numerator and dx upon d theta is in denominator. So we have minus 2 sine theta over times cos theta in numerator, and sec square theta is in denominator. You know sec square theta, the reciprocal of sec square theta is cos square theta. So this will become cos square theta in numerator. So we have minus 2 sine theta times cos cube theta, and I think this is what we had to show. So this is the way to differentiate parametric equations for the gradient. Hope this lecture will help you to understand some important concepts of parametric equations. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.